Welcome to History Didactics. I'm Dinelao Motoanaga, your tutor. About the question papers. All 3 question papers are out of 130. It's about 3 hours long. 5 questions. You need to answer all 5 questions. And the study guide, it's Iol study guide. And make sure this slideshow is all about all 3 exams: May, August, and November. First things you should know about history as a subject. You should know about the meaning of history. History is an applied science rather than a basic science. The aims of studying history and the aims of history syllabi. What is history and how the present is the product of the past? Traditional and holistic teaching perspectives. You should know about the social factors affecting history, primary and secondary sources. You should know the difference between primary and secondary sources. And you should know the examples. Reasons for studying history. Why do we study history? Number 2, you should know about the elements of learning and teaching sessions. Here you are supposed to know the following: effective learning strategies that appear to learning diversions, different teaching approaches to history, thinking skills learner acquire through studying history. What do you need to do? What do you need to consider when teaching a multicultural learners, teaching learners from different backgrounds? Praising or criticizing learners' behaviors. Factors contributing to learning difficulties in history. Should also know about holistic and traditional teaching perspectives and their reflection on learning and teaching. Factors contributing to learning difficulties in history. Number 3, it's about classroom management and the characteristics of a good history teacher. You should know the key to being a successful history teacher. You should know the characteristics of a learner-centered history teacher, different types of games that can be used in a history lesson, and classroom punishment used to address inappropriate and unacceptable behaviors of learners. Number 4, it's about assessment tools. What are the importance of assessment? What do teachers, especially in history, what do we assess? What are the importance of assessment? Should know also the different types of assessments tools used in history and the advantages and the limitations of the history assessment tools. Now, number 5, it's about the general principles of answering the questions of history didactics. The following should be considered when answering. If a question asks you, analyze, you need to examine information in details to discover the main ideas and show the importance. The question says describe. You have to provide a detailed feature of an issue in a proper sentences. Differentiate means distinguish by indicating the differences of a phenomena. Explain means you need to describe something and making clear the why and how of the features or something. Emphasize or highlight, you have to outline the main features of something. Summarize, you should give a brief account of the essence of the matter through the main ideas. This is the end of presentation. Good luck.